It is hot in here. That's better. I cannot believe that we will be flying out at the end of this month. It's so surreal. This week I am getting organized. There is still so much that I need to do before we actually leave. So I've written myself a little to-do list on my phone, which I thought we could get through together. That's kind of the list that we're working with at the moment. I feel like this car is really squeaky. If I can do all 5 things this week, it'll just soothe my soul and it'll just make me feel like I'm on top of everything, because the last thing that I want is to just leave it until the last minute and then it's like a couple of days before we leave and I'll just be so overwhelmed with things that I need to do. So I'm going to run through the 5 things that are on my list, starting with going to Kmart and buying some tubs. You know, those like big storage tubs. Obviously Bali is quite warm, so I'm not going to be taking like any of my winter clothes, so I feel like these tubs will be perfect just to pack all my clothes away. That's the first thing on my list. The second thing is I need to buy a suitcase, so that's very, very important. Also, in my bathroom at the moment, in my vanity, I have just accumulated a lot of stuff. I want to take everything out of my vanity, work out things that will probably just go in the bin. Obviously I can buy majority of my like toiletries and stuff over in Bali, but there are certain products like skincare and stuff that I want to bring with me. Because I am limited to how much stuff I can take with me, majority of my suitcase is going to be taken up with clothes. The shoes that I'm bringing, I need to make sure they go with a variety of different outfits. I've got my trusty pair of Crocs, which I am obsessed with, so they will definitely be coming with me. But I want to try and get a pair of shoes that are the best of both worlds. So they're good for running, but then they'll also be good just for like everyday gymming, and also that like I can wear out. So I was thinking of getting a pair of New Balance. Also, in regards to our trip, we've decided that instead of flying straight from Sydney to Bali, we're actually going to go from Sydney to Singapore and then from Singapore to Bali. We thought that would be a good little place to visit before heading over to Bali. We've already booked our flights, but we still need to book accommodation in Singapore. So that is something we definitely need to do this week as well. I feel like this list isn't too difficult. The plan is let's head to Kmart, let's buy some tubs, and then we can come back and get cleaning, get decluttering, get organizing. Let's head to Kmart. I actually don't know what size tub to get. Present. What's that? Is that for you? Do you want a puppuccino? Is that for Ogie? Sit. Big. Oh, you're such a good boy. We've had a very successful day. So here is what we've done so far. In the last couple of hours, filled 3 tubs worth of stuff. So that's kind of where we're up to with this. So we can tick this one off the list. Let's now move on to the bathroom. Welcome to my bathroom floor. I'm almost embarrassed to show you what's behind these doors. So to kind of show you what we're working with, I've just kind of like chucked everything in the tubs. So we're going to take them out and just go through those. We're going to get started on this and hopefully it doesn't take me too long. Ta-da! All done now, so we can tick that off. Do we click it at the same time? 3, 2, 1. It's confirmed!
Singapore's booked, baby. Yes.
That's so exciting.
It's all come through.
We're going to Singapore! for a walk to go get a coffee, and I just got notified that my package had been delivered. So I quickly ran home and thought we could unbox the suitcase together. Also, yesterday afternoon I got another delivery, but I was so excited I forgot to show you on camera because I was gonna like unbox it with you. But these are my new shoes. Do we love them? I love them. I took them to the gym yesterday afternoon and did a session in them, so we approve. But yes, let's unbox the suitcase together. Ooh, no, this looks nice. It is so big. This is the suitcase. I'm just going with the brand Antler. This is like perfect because it only weighs 4.5 kilos. We had a very successful online shopping experience. So it's a couple hours later and I forgot to do my outro. I thought I would quickly do it with my special guest.
And he is so special.
We had a successful week. I feel like I was able to tick everything off my list, and I even influenced Tynan to get the same suitcase as me, but made sure he got a different colour, so we're not.
That would have been very awkward.
So awkward.
Couldn't be seen with you.
So yes, I've got the suitcase, I've got the shoes, I've cleaned up my space, and I'm feeling so refreshed.
And on that bombshell, it's time to end.
We're not making that a recurring thing. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, and we will chat soon. Bye.